Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay, so we had a gap down. We had a couple. We had matching highs on the front month chart from September of 2018 last week, both at 29.61 quarter. You had a move last on Friday that went up almost as high as the pre-FOMC price. Pre-FOMC price is at 50. And then you've had this push lower. So you can see on the daily, we're going to switch the hourly here in just a second. But you can see now it's trying to spend the day below the 9-day. It's going to try to spend the day below the daily mid-band. It's trying to engage with the lower band. So the bulls did well, or the bears rather, did well on the gap down. They made a couple of lower lows, but they've gone ahead and retraced 20 handles, 25 handles or so of the move. So we're going to have to see what they've got as we head into the regular session. We were short Friday into the close. Thankfully, it didn't stop us out Friday before the close. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. And we took advantage of the gap down, 40 on 2/3 of it, and we took the rest for 50. We had 29.03 short overnight because 10 really started to seal off, and that got us a nice look at lower lows. Got stopped out on the rest, and we're actually back in short here in and around the roundy against 03 to see if the bears feel like taking a stand. This is one of these times where I'll keep going to the well until it burns me, and then it becomes a situation, well, there's the dip, and off we go. If the bears are going to get it done, they have a golden opportunity to get it done today. And getting it, my definition of getting it done would be a firm close below 2,900. If they can get that done. I mean, but how many golden opportunities did the bears screw up? I mean, charts like the one I have up on the screen right now, charts like that are created by the bears blowing a ton of golden opportunities since Christmas. All right, here's your hourly. So here's the 29.50 resistance I talked about, the pre-FOMC price. They walked it right up there into the close. That's the second half of your double top. So we gapped down. You see the monthly pivot. You see the daily midband. Retracing it back up to these areas and testing it, not out of the question. I wouldn't mind to be long to get short there. But right now I want to kind of see what this 29.01 to call it 29.05 wants to do. So that your low from Globex, 28.83 half. It's not even, this is a 20-day chart. It's not even a 20-day low. So, I mean, they gapped down. It was very exciting. You can retrace some of that, but you see the hourly midband coming in here at 0875. A pop off of the open, you really want to see it be contained by that hourly mid and then force it back down and try to make a lower low. If they do that, then the bears have some traction. It's going to be, there's plenty for them to fight over. You've got VWAP at 97, you got Madonna at 98, you got the Roundy, you've got the 5-minute midband at 01, you've got resistance at 05, you've got potential support at 91. There's a lot in and around 2,900 for them to fight about off the open, so it could be pretty whippy. And if you don't like whip and chop, sit back, let it make a decision, and then trade it from there. But long story short, nice little gap down. The volatility is not dead. It is not out of this market. We had a fantastic ramp up on Friday that we took advantage of. And, this is one of these, just when you think the volatility will never come back, and I laugh when people tell me that, the volatility comes back. Friday, 65 handle day, 40 handle day on the second, 37 handle day on the first. I mean, it's been a big start to the month of March. And it's not anything that I'm doing, it is, but, it's the fact that the tape is, kind of coming back to life after this really lazy drip higher. Rarely do you see double tops hold up. So far, over the course of the last 3 sessions or so, this one right here has, on the front month contract, 29.6125. So we'll see. Everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. If you're interested in coming in and checking out the room, it's a great time. We've got all kinds of new people in to check it out. You've got the live chart with the audio. We've got the chat room that has a mobile app. We've got Slack. We've got text alerts during the day, text alerts overnight. A lot of ways to disseminate the information, and it is a serious but still fun place to be. All right, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.